If you ever felt like you've been drowning in mountains of papers, citations are scattered like confetti, and you don't know where to start, you're not alone. Research can be messy, chaotic, and honestly kind of soul-sucking sometimes. But what if I told you there's a way to take control? Tools that organize your sources, generate your citations, and even help you write smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Today, we're diving into two powerhouse reference managers, the tried and true Mendeley and the sleek AI-powered Logically. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one can turn your research paper chaos into pure organized brilliance. Let's get straight to it. Right here in this corner, we have Mendeley, the seasoned veteran of reference management. It's been helping students and researchers organize their libraries, annotate PDFs, and generate citations for years. Think of it as your like classic Swiss Army knife for academic work. Reliable, straightforward, familiar. And on the other side, we have Logically, the rising star. This is a modern AI-powered all-in-one platform that combines reference management, file annotation, document writing, as you see on this menu, with an AI research assistant built in. It's sleek, it's innovative, and promises to save you hours on your workflow. So today, we're going to put them side by side to see which tool is perfect for you. So what is Logically? At its core, Logically is a modernized research platform that takes the chaos out of academic work. You can organize your references, annotate files, and even write documents all in one place. But it doesn't stop there. The magic comes from the AI-powered tools. Its research assistant can summarize papers, help refine search queries, and even answer specific questions based on your uploaded documents. The document writer allows you to draft entire papers. You can see the one I'm running here, while auto-generating citations from your reference library. And then with the file annotator, you can highlight, comment, and even let AI analyze your annotations, turning more passive reading into an interactive dialogue with your sources. So basically, Logically is like having a research partner sitting right next to you, ready to help every stage of your workflow. Now let's talk Mendeley. If Logically is the new kid on the block, Mendeley is a tried and true veteran. It's been keeping researchers organized long before AI was cool, offering collections, tags, and robust citation tools that integrate seamlessly with Word. It also includes the web importer, which lets you pull references directly from journal sites. If you know Zotero, something just like that. And they also have the notebook, which allows you to annotate PDFs, add comments, and keep all your insights in one place. While it doesn't have AI features, its reliability and simplicity are perfect for researchers who value control and familiarity over automation. Now, let's put these tools to the test with uploading research papers. So with Mendeley, uploading papers is pretty straightforward, but sometimes manual. Older or non-standard sources require you to fill in author names, titles, and publication info yourself. PDFs are easy to drag in, and the metadata usually populates automatically, although occasional corrections are needed. The web importer is a huge time saver when grabbing articles online, letting you collect references without leaving your browser. With Logically, uploading is even smoother. You can paste a DOI, URL, or drag in a file, and the platform automatically extracts metadata, generates citations, and even pulls in abstracts or full PDFs when available. Even older sources require a quick re-index click. And between DOIs, URLs, and file uploads, Logically lets you quickly build a well-organized library without frantic Googling. So next up, organization. In Mendeley, you can create collections and use tags to keep everything in check. You can also favorite certain references for quick access and invite up to 25 collaborators into private groups to share papers. It's simple, clean, effective, but limited if you're working with like larger teams. Logically steps up with nested folders, color-coded tags, and unlimited collaborators. You can group papers by themes, sub-themes, methodology, and every file is immediately actionable. Right-click on a paper, you can generate a citation, view it in the annotator, or ask the AI research assistant questions directly from that source. It's a level of interactivity that Mendeley simply can't match. Now for annotating and writing, Mendeley lets you highlight passages, leave sticky notes, and store comments in the notebook. You can search your notes, but connecting insights across multiple papers still requires a lot of manual effort. For writing, Mendeley integrates with Word via Mendeley's site, letting you insert citations and generate bibliographies, but the drafting process is fully manual. Logically, on the other hand, lets you highlight, comment, and then ask AI to summarize. You can clarify, connect ideas across your entire library. Drafting a paper is seamless. The document writer auto-generates outlines, paraphrases for clarity, and builds a bibliography as you write. Sharing your work in real time means your collaborators can edit and comment and add references simultaneously, so it turns from a solo grind to a collaborative AI-enhanced process. Even if you're not working with anyone, you're working with AI. So the real game changer of Logically is its AI. You can ask the AI research assistant literally anything. If you want a concise summary of a dozen papers in seconds, to give it to you right when you're either writing or right when you're annotating, and the AI has you covered. You can bring in external examples, cultural context, and all fully cited. And furthermore, the commands can also summarize, paraphrase, change tone, and lengthen your text. So Mendeley doesn't offer AI, so it's more hands-on and requires you to synthesize insights yourself. Now for the really important part, which is cost. Let's break down the pricing of both Logically and Mendeley to see which offers better value for researchers and students. For the Mendeley pricing, we can see all the plans right here from the free plan, plus plan, pro plan, and max plan. And so while Mendeley provides essential reference manager features, its premium plans are primarily focused on increasing storage capacity. Users seeking more advanced functionalities like AI-powered research assistance or integrating writing tools will need to look elsewhere. For Logically pricing, the free plan provides access to reference management, file annotation, and AI-powered research assistance with 500 megabytes of storage, and the unlimited plan is $8 a month, offering unlimited storage and full access to all features, including advanced AI tools and collaborative writing capabilities. And also, it gives students 50% discounts, which is really important for me because I am a college student. And so Logically's unlimited plan not only matches Mendeley's highest storage capacity, but also includes a suite of advanced features that Mendeley lacks. For just $8 a month, users gain AI features, integrated writing tools, and unlimited storage, making it a more cost-effective solution for researchers seeking comprehensive support through their workflow. So while Mendeley offers a solid foundation for reference management, Logically provides more comprehensive and cost-effective solutions. So which one is best for you? Pick Logically if you want an all-in-one AI-powered research workspace. It's ideal for interdisciplinary projects, collaborative teams, or solo researchers who want to save hours on manual work. From auto-summarizing papers to drafting outlines and generating citations to over 10,000 plus styles, Logically centralizes every step of your research workflow. With that being said, pick Mendeley if you value simplicity, reliability, and offline work. It's perfect for solo researchers or small labs, offering intuitive reference management, PDF annotation, and sometimes word integration. No AI surprises, just solid tools trusted by academics for over a decade. So who's your research MVP? If you want speed, collaboration, and AI-powered efficiency, Logically takes the crown. If you prefer classic, hands-on control with no AI, Mendeley remains a steadfast companion. Either way, your mountain of papers just got a little bit more manageable. Make sure to like and subscribe for more comparison videos, and I'll see you in the next one.